If you're looking to set up the SuiteDash client portal for multiple users and want a simple, efficient guide to get you started, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to set up your SuiteDash portal and make it work for multiple users. Stick around because not only will I cover SuiteDash, but I'll also give you some exclusive insights and alternatives that might better suit your needs by the end of the video. So let's dive straight in. The first thing you'll need to do is create your SuiteDash account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, head to the Settings tab in the left sidebar. You'll find a section called Client Portal. This is where you'll configure the portal that multiple users can access. Next thing, go ahead and enable the client portal if you haven't done so yet. You'll see an option to enable the portal by clicking the checkbox. Don't worry about the other settings just yet. We'll get to that. Now, once that's done, you can start adding your users. Under the Client Portal settings, find the User Management section. Here you can add individual users, define their permissions, and even set up different levels of access depending on their roles. If you have a team or clients who need different levels of access, you'll want to make sure each user is assigned the correct role. For example, maybe some need full access while others just need limited permissions. The fourth thing to know, SuiteDash gives you options to customize the client portal appearance so you can make it your own. You can upload logos, choose colors, and even adjust the theme to match your branding. This step is important because a customized portal helps maintain a professional image, especially if you're using this for client interactions. Once users are added and permissions are set, the next step is sending invitations. SuiteDash allows you to send emails directly to your users from the platform so they can easily log in. When they receive the invite, they'll get a unique link to access their specific section of the portal. Be sure to check that the permissions are correctly applied, as this will ensure each user sees only what they need. Now, the last thing I want to mention before we wrap up the SuiteDash setup is the integrations. If you're using other tools, SuiteDash offers several integrations with systems like Google Drive, PayPal, and Zoom. This can help streamline your workflow and make your client portal even more powerful. Before we go, I want to mention that while SuiteDash is a solid tool for many businesses, it may not be the perfect fit for everyone. If you're looking for an easier-to-use interface or better customization options for your client portal, I've got some alternatives that might be more suited to your needs. And the best part? You can try them out for free through exclusive links we've secured just for you. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial available, plus some additional benefits that are only available to our viewers. So don't miss out on that. Thanks for watching, and remember, whether it's SuiteDash or another platform, the right client portal can help your business grow and manage multiple users effectively.